Sound is a fascinating phenomenon that travels in different ways depending on the environment. Today, we'll explore how sound waves move through air, water, and even the vacuum of space, and how our ears perceive these waves. Let's start with air, the most common medium for sound travel. When an object vibrates, it creates pressure waves that move through the air. These waves are called sound waves. For example, when you clap your hands, the vibrations push air molecules together, creating areas of high pressure called compressions and areas of low pressure called rarefactions. This alternating pattern of compressions and rarefactions travels through the air until it reaches our ears. Next, let's dive underwater. Sound waves travel faster in water than in air because water molecules are more densely packed. When a whale sings in the ocean, its vocalizations can travel long distances due to the efficient transmission of sound waves in water. This is why underwater communication devices and sonar are so effective. Now, what happens in a vacuum, like outer space? In a vacuum, there are no molecules to transmit sound waves. This means that, unlike in movies, you wouldn't hear an explosion in space because there's no medium for the sound to travel through. Astronauts rely on radio waves to communicate, which don't require a medium like sound waves do. But how do we actually hear these sound waves? Our ears are marvels of biological engineering. When sound waves enter the ear, they travel through the ear canal and hit the eardrum, causing it to vibrate. These vibrations are then transmitted to the tiny bones in the middle ear called ossicles. The ossicles amplify the sound and send it to the cochlea, a fluid-filled structure in the inner ear. Inside the cochlea, hair cells convert these vibrations into electrical signals that travel to the brain via the auditory nerve. The brain then interprets these signals as the sounds we hear. Understanding sound waves and how they travel through different environments not only deepens our appreciation for the natural world, but also highlights the incredible design of our hearing system.